In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stickers in Figjam. Figjam is a fantastic online whiteboard that makes collaboration, brainstorming, and ideation incredibly visual and engaging. It's a space where you can let your ideas flow freely, and one of the best ways to add personality and express reactions to your boards is by using stickers. They're not just fun, they can also be powerful tools for communication, helping to quickly convey emotions, emphasize points, or even replace text-heavy notes with clear visual cues. Throughout this tutorial, we'll walk through the simple process of incorporating these expressive elements into your Figjam files, making your boards more dynamic and interactive for everyone involved. To begin, you'll want to open your Figjam board. Whether you're starting a new brainstorming session or continuing an existing project, make sure you're in the correct Figjam file. If you're currently in Figma, you might click on the Figjam icon directly from your recent files or project dashboard, or simply navigate to a Figjam board if you have one open already. The main idea here is to ensure you are active within the Figjam environment where you intend to add your stickers. Once your board is loaded, you'll see your creative workspace, ready for your additions. Now that you're inside your Figjam board, look towards the Toolbar, which is usually located at the bottom of your screen. This versatile toolbar is where you'll find most of the tools you need for creating and collaborating. Specifically, you're looking for the plus icon. This icon typically represents the More Tools or Add New Element menu. When you click on it, a new panel or pop-up menu will appear, revealing a wider array of options available for you to insert into your board. This menu contains everything from shapes and connectors to various media types, and of course, our target, stickers. With the More Tools menu now open, you'll see a selection of different categories. Scan through these options until you find the Stickers category. It's usually quite prominent, often represented by a small sticker or emoji icon itself. Once you click on Stickers, a whole new world of visual expressions will open up. You'll be presented with a delightful collection of pre-designed stickers, ranging from playful characters and reaction emojis to more functional arrows or check marks. Take a moment to browse through the available sets. You might find exactly what you're looking for, or discover new ways to express your thoughts. After you've found the perfect sticker, simply click on it. It will then appear on your Figjam board, ready for placement. You can click and drag it to reposition it anywhere you like. If you need to adjust its size, look for the small handles that appear when you select the sticker, and drag them to scale it up or down. You can also rotate stickers for a bit more dynamic visual flair. Don't be afraid to experiment with different stickers to enhance the clarity and engagement of your board. They're fantastic for quick feedback, indicating agreement or disagreement, highlighting key areas, or simply adding a touch of fun to your collaborative sessions. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a sticker to your Figjam board.